He's moving away.
Whoa!
Inside a building. Inside a building. Inside a building. Sager, move left.
No, that's mine. That's mine.
Oh wait. Oh.
Hey, can they get up in the tower and do that thing we did last time?
You be tripping, dog.
Yes, they can.
Disable vehicle. Whoa!
I think there's a cheater.
He's shooting through the wall.
Nice.
Nice.
I just
He
have.
said bad idea.
That's funny. Ryan, I am
There's a
dedicated
sack
watching the hole and the.
Yeah, there's snipers. There's snipers deep up on the hill, like around there. One of the clusters is gonna have to go towards them.
When this zone closes, I will pop it.
Okay.
And then
There we
grab
go.
a cluster. 'Cause we're gonna
Bad idea. Bad.
If you're out of the zone, you better get moving.
Dude, I love this guy.
Substitute.
We need eyes. Send
One
that
dude
recon.
directly here, and then 2 guys up in the hills, and then 2 guys are over here. That's it. Alright, pick up your cluster and start unloading.
Grid mark, call for fire.
Oh, come on. What?
Still got a guy underneath us, and the guy at that,
I'm watching the loadout.
yeah, I'm watching
Yeah.
too.
I don't know where this guy is. Is he gulagging?
He's inside.
Oh no, he's a tent!
Yeah.
Did you get him? They got snipers out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 2 guys on the hill.
Yeah, it's just the 2 guys.
I dropped the cluster. Just keep sending clusters their way. They're not bad.
I clustered.
Clustered.
That cluster's a little deep.
I'm moving up.
They're moving right. They're moving right.
On the top of the rock, there's like a pride rock type looking thing.
Let's go.
Down one.
Good shot.
Can you ping him?
Top of the rock. Killed one.
Nice.
Whoa, I got stunned from the left.
Yep. Right there. Oh, he had battle hardened. Really? Nice.
Oh my. Dude.